Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Perplexity AI for content creation. This is super useful for YouTube scripts, blogs, social media posts, product descriptions, and so on. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that your interface is updated and so that you can use focus mode and advanced models. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing that you will have to do is click new thread, which is right here, and once you have your thread here, is you will just have to basically choose a content type. So for example, in the search bar, you want to type something like help me create a script or maybe a caption, a script for my YouTube channel or YouTube video. Called my called house tour. So for example, you have your vlog. So basically okay, so you do have to make sure that you're actually accurate with what you want so that uh Perplexity will provide you an accurate results or an accurate script. So for example, you want this for your YouTube video. So what you will have to do is click enter, and then Perplexity AI will help you create a ready to use script for your video. So yes, you can see it's complete. You have the intro, the exterior, you have the intro, you have uh your script basically, and yeah, that's basically just it. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And again, you do have to provide clear inputs for you for Perplexity. So you have to give your topic, your tone, your audience, your word count, and yeah, you could also ask for variations if you're not satisfied with this. So for example, make it more engaging, make it more engaging, or give me, let's say, three versions, and then you will just have to click enter again, and then yeah, that's basically just it. And as you can see, you have now your different variants here. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.